in today's video, we'll be doing some simple analysis together, right? And I want you to pay very close attention because this will possibly help you in so many ways, right? A lot of guys don't know their left and right again, especially the beginners in this industry. They don't know their left and right again, right? They are buying, right? And the market is coming down, or they are selling and the market is flying up. So you don't even know where to start. At this point, you are confused. At times, you should have the knowledge of where the market is going to and where to place your trade and where not to possibly place your trade, because you just can't wake up, look at the market because it's going up, you jump into the market, or because it's coming down, you jump into the market. You don't know how the market moves, or you don't know what is actually happening in the market. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down 3 strategies that I normally use, right? 3 strategies that I normally use to confirm my buying or my selling position, and where to always place my stop loss and my take profit. Very, very important. And you possibly need that, right? You need that, right? You need that. So I'm not here to show you some thousands of dollars. And for that being said, let's jump to the chart and let me show you how the market works and how to analyze the chart like a pro, and how you can start placing a trade without confusion, right? It's very important you analyze the chart accurately, know where the market is going to at least, right? Let your accuracy be like 90-10. If the market goes against you, you know that, okay, at least I was right, but suddenly something happened, and that's cool. Now let's jump right into the market and let me show you how this stuff works. And first thing first, I will always tell you guys that if you want to analyze the chart, always analyze your chart from higher time frame. Mark out your key levels from higher time frame. Already I have marked out my levels, but I'm just gonna brief it so that the video won't be long. So we all see this level right here. We all see this level, right? This is our key level. These are our key levels. Let me mark it out. This is our key level. Okay, this is also our key level, and that level is respected. This is also our key level, and that level is also respected. And if you go to support, you will notice that here is our key level, right? From this level right here, we don't have any key level around this side, and that is why the market did not respect any zone until it gets to this particular level right here. Am I understood? Market did not respect any level right here until it gets to this particular level. When it gets all the way to retest this level, we can see that no level, as you can see, it gets all the way to respect this level right here after breaking, after getting to this particular level right here. So every level must be respected. As you can see right here, that is how to trade support and resistance. First thing first, you mark out your key level, right? You mark out your key level. As you can see right here, if I should expand it, you will notice that this level is also respected. This level that I said is our key level, right? That level is respected. Let me bring down this. If you look at it very well, you will see that the level is respected, and that is why I call this level a key level. So this level is not a key level, that's why it's not respected. This is not also a key level, and that is why it's not respected. I'm understood. So a position that shoot out high, this is where the big boys, the financial institution, left footprint. As you can see right here, this is for our time frame. As you can see, that level and this level are the same. Let me take it back. Right, this level and this other level are the same. That is a key level. Every level must be respected. So as you can see right here, I noticed that it's a downtrend, right? This trend line you see in here, right? I saw some touches before I mark out the trend line, meaning those touches are supposed to be respected. This is one of my strategy that I don't joke with, the triangle strategy. I don't joke with it. Now let's mark out the level that the trend line touch, right? We have our first level, 1, 2, 3, and we have 4. Now a lot of people might say, okay, the market is going up, right? The market is going up, and when the market is going up, they say, okay, let me just get into the market, because that is what they call fear of missing out, not knowing that the market will get all the way here to retest this level and eventually keep pushing up. Am I understood? So be careful on how you trade. And if you've gotten to this level, all you need to do is to smash the like button. So whenever you see any higher highs or higher lows, you make sure you draw your trend line to be sure about what the market is doing. I'm understood. Very, very important. If you are done analyzing your chart, you go all the way to, let's say, 30-minute time frame. As you can see, those levels are respected. The trend line touches on key levels. Trend line touch here, 1, and we have 2 and 3 touch. Is our triangle strategy, right? Now, the more the price keep hitting the level, it's telling you that it's about to break out, right? The more tinier it is, the more possibility it has to break out, right? It will either break down or break up. If you don't see that, you have to wait for it to break out. If you come across a market like this and you enter, this is possibly at your own risk. But all I will always advise you guys to do is to wait for the market to break. That's exactly what happened right here. Now we wait for this market to break because it has been touching from this side. Another strategy that I see here is the retest strategy. Now immediately market break up and go in, don't just jump into the market. Maybe you just get all the way here and say, oh, this market is flying up, right? You get all the way to this particular level. Oh, yo, this market is going up. Then you jump into the market, right? You jump into the market. That is fear of missing out, and it revises all the way down here to take you out and keep pushing. That is why retest strategy is very important. When the market is flying up, just allow it to keep flying up, right? Just allow it to keep what? To keep flying up, and wait for a retest. Immediately it hits your zone for retest, definitely it will bounce back up or it will continue down, but just wait for retest. That's exactly what happened, and that is how I get into the market. So right here I also got into the market around this side. And I've taken my profit already because I don't want any harsh news. So now I'm actually waiting for it to hit this level, right? If it get to pass this level, we'll continue buying, but we will not buy immediately. We'll also wait for a retest around this level before we continue buying. In case it breaks here, we will definitely wait for it to retest this level before we continue buying, right? Or if it gets all the way here, the market will keep pushing down. So if you find value in the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you guys in the next video, and peace.